Hey lovelies, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Getty Cooks and I hope you all are doing well. It's nice to have you here. In today's video, I share with you how I make this burger with Angwamo. This is so delicious and was easy to put together. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. In a pot, I will go in with my oil and then add some onion. So I'm going to fry this for 5 minutes. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. We make food recipes on this channel. So if you like what you are seeing, kindly subscribe to the channel and be part of this family. So after 5 minutes, I went in with my beef. So I'm just going to allow this be on the fire for 10 minutes before I will go in with my wheat. So I have been cooking my beef and the onion for 10 minutes now. So I'll go ahead and then add in my burger wheat and also toast it in the oil for about 10 minutes. So while this is going on, I just want to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate it a lot and God bless you for always doing that. To my new subscribers, you guys are so amazing. You can watch me on Facebook and also watch my short videos on Instagram and TikTok. The name is Getty Cooks and it is totally free. You don't have to pay any amount. So we have been toasting the rice for 5 minutes now, and at this point we'll go ahead and add the water to it and also add some salt and stir everything together and cover it. Okay guys, so we have been cooking the wheat for about 10 minutes now. I will go ahead and give it a stir. And as you know, wheat is very hard, so I want every part to be cooked very well, and I'm cooking it under a medium heat. So if you are still watching up to this time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video. So now I will cover my wheat with foil to trap some heat to cook the burger wheat very well. And at this point, the wheat is well cooked. Just look how this is. This is so delicious. Guys, you really have to try this recipe. Just look how beautiful it came out. It turned out so nice. So I went ahead to fry my egg, which I will pair with the wheat. So at this point, we'll just go ahead and serve the wheat. And here is our food ready to be enjoyed. I paired it with some pepper and also shito, and I added some fried sausage to it with the egg. Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.